Right students, very good morning to you. So today we will continue the trigonometry. So today we will do some problems. Right? Let us see. Find sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square 6 pi by 10 plus sin square 9 pi by 10. So here they are asking in radians pi by 10. So you can convert into the degrees or you can do in radians also. See, why they are asking this problem? They are all given in sine, but these all are unknown values. Actually, what is the value? Pi value is 180. 180 by 10, 18 degrees. We don't know. 4 into 18, 72. Like that they are asking. These all are unknown values. Right? Now see. So, actually, there are 4 sin squares are there. 2 sin squares are converting into the remaining 2 sin squares. Sin square plus cos square 1. See this one and this one. Sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus sin square of pi by 2 plus pi by 10. Can I write like this? Now take the LCM. Pi by 2 plus pi by 10. Take the LCM. 10 5 pi plus pi. That is equal to 6 pi by 10. 6 pi by 10. Okay. And see this one. Sin square 9 pi by 10. That is the pi by 2 plus 4 pi by 10. Can I write like this? What is the pi by 2 plus 4 pi by 10? That is equal. Now take the LCM. 10. 5 pi plus 4 pi. That is equal to 9 pi by 10. 9 pi by 10. So that is equal to sin square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus see this one. Pi by 2 means 90. Change, sin changes to cos pi by 10. That means cos square pi by 10. Here also 90 plus second quadrant sign is positive. Right? 90 change. Sin changes to cos. Cos square 4 pi by 10. Now what is the value? Take together sin square pi by 10 plus cos square pi by 10 plus sin square 4 pi by 10 plus cos square 4 pi by 10. That is equal. What is sin square? 1. Sin square plus cos square 1. So that is equal to 2. See students, whenever they are giving the unknown values, so the remaining 2 sin squares convert into cos squares, sin square plus cos square 1. And understand that 90 plus or 90 minus they will ask the values. Right? Now see this one. Now see the second problem. These are the known values they given. Cos square. See, what is the cos square or sin square? Actually, cos square theta. That is nothing but the cos theta whole square. Cos theta whole square. See this one. What they are asking? Cos 45 degrees whole square plus cos 135 cos of 180 minus 45. See how I am writing cos of 180 minus 45 degrees. Or you can write like this first. Plus cos 135 degrees whole square plus cos 225 degrees whole square plus cos 315 degrees whole square. That is equal to cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos 135 cos of 180 minus 40 whole square plus cos of 180 plus 45 whole square plus cos of whatever this one 360 minus 45 whole square. See this one 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2 plus what is the 180? 180 minus theta. 180 is the change. 180 is same cos 45 degrees. In which quadrant it lies? 180 minus theta. Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative minus cos 40 whole square. Whatever this one 180 same cos 45 degrees. 180 plus theta third quadrant. Third quadrant also cos negative minus cos 45 whole square. 360 same cos 45 degrees. 360 plus theta. 360 minus theta fourth quadrant cos positive plus whole square. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus that is the minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square means positive. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that is equal to 4 by 2 that is equal to 2. That is the answer. Right students, this is the way we solve the problems. Right students, see this problem. Prove that 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta equal to 13. So we have to prove this one. Right. Now let us take the LHS. Take the LHS. So this is the LHS. So 3 into. First we write this as the sin theta minus cos theta whole square and later on again whole square. Whole power 4 I am writing as whole square and again whole square, that is the 4 plus 6 into a plus b whole square, you can expand sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into this sin power 6 theta I am writing as sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. Right. Now whatever this one 3 into what is the inner quantity sin minus cos whole square. What is the expansion sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Again whole square is there. Sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 6 into again this one sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Right. Whatever this one 3 into what is sin square plus cos square 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square plus 6 into what is sin square plus cos square 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into what is the a cube plus b cube. See students, a cube plus b cube that is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Right. That is 4 into what is the a plus b whole cube? A means sin square theta, b means cos square theta, a plus b sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3ab minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into a plus b again sin square theta plus cos square theta So a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A means sin square, b means cos square. That is equal to 3 into again a minus b whole square. What is the a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into 2 minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into sin square plus cos square 1 cube 1 minus 3 into sin square theta cos square theta into sin square plus cos square 1. Okay, now see this one. 3 into 1 3 into 4 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Now see what is this value? Plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta cancel. Minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta cancel. What is the value? 3 plus 6 plus 4. That is equal to 30. That is equal to RH. So this is the way we can solve this problem. And remember that a power 6 plus b power 6. Write that as a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. What is the a cube plus b cube? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Right, students? So this is the way we solve this problem. Right, students? Now see this problem. We have to prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Now consider LHS. Consider LHS equal to tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. This 1 we can express as, see this one, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 I am expressing as secant square theta minus tan square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. That is equal to, what are the numerator? Secant plus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 a square minus b square. How you express a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So a square plus b square, a square minus b square we can express as a plus b into a minus b by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. From numerator we can take secant theta plus tan theta as common, secant theta plus tan theta common. What is the remaining? 1 minus of this will be common. What is this value? Secant theta minus tan theta whole by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. This is equal to secant theta plus tan theta into, what is this one? 1 minus secant theta minus plus tan theta whole by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. See, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. This one and this one same, gets cancelled. What are the remaining? Secant theta plus tan theta, that is equal to, what is the secant theta? 1 by cos theta plus what is the sin? Sin theta by cos theta. Now take the LCM as cos theta, LCM cos theta What is the numerator? 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to the RHS. See students, this is the way we can solve the problem. We can take 1 as the secant square minus tan square. Right students, now see this problem. If 3 sin A plus 5 cos A equal to 5. See the solution. So what are they given? 3 sin A plus 5 cos A equal to 5. This is the first equation. Now what we have to prove that 5 sin A minus 3 cos A equal to, let 5 sin A minus 3 cos A equal to k. Let it be the second equation. 5 sin A minus 3 cos A equal to k. Second equation. Now we have to find the k value. 1 square plus 2 square. Add plus 3 sin A plus 5 cos A whole square plus 5 sin A minus 3 cos A whole square equal to 5 square plus k square. What is a plus b whole square? A square 9 sin square A plus 25 cos square A plus 2 into 3 6 into 5 30 sin A cos A plus 25 sin square A plus 9 cos square A minus 30 sin A cos A equal to 25 plus k square. Now see this one. Add in place 9 sin square A plus 9 cos square A. I can write it as directly 9 plus 25 cos square A plus 25 sin square A. Take 25 common. 25 into sin square plus cos square 1 plus 30 sin A minus 30 sin A cancel. That is equal to 25 plus k square. 25 cancel. What is that in place? K square equal to 9. That is in place. K equal to plus or minus 3. So that is the way we can find. Therefore, what is the value? 5 sin A minus 3 cos A equal to plus or minus 3. That is the solution of the problem. Right, now come to this problem. Eliminate theta when x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to b sin cube theta. So eliminating means theta should not be there. Only in terms of x and x, y and constants a, b. Right. How you eliminate? See this problem. X equal to a cos cube theta, x by a equal to cos cube theta, y equal to b sin cube theta, y by b equal to sin cube theta. What is that implies? X by a whole power 1 by 3 equal to cos theta, y by b whole to the power 1 by 3 equal to sin theta. Now squaring on both sides, what is that implies? X by a whole to the power 2 by 3 equal to cos square theta, y by b whole to the power 2 by 3 equal to sin square theta. Now you add these two, adding x by a whole to the power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole to the power 2 by 3, that equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is the difference? X by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole to the power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Equal to 1. So there is theta is not there. So that is the way eliminating theta. So how we eliminate theta? Cos square plus sin square is 1, or secant square minus tan square is 1, and cosecant square minus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is the way we can eliminate theta. Right? Okay students, these are the very important problems. Right? Thank you very much.